Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a luxury EV SUV that blends futuristic design, premium interiors, and cutting-edge technology. Sleek and modern exterior. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 features a bold and aerodynamic design, with a refreshed front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a dynamic grille-less look. The sleek body lines, floating roof design, and 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty appeal. The full-width LED taillight strip adds a futuristic touch, making the Atto 3 stand out on the road. Powerful electric performance. This luxury EV SUV is powered by BYD's advanced Blade battery technology, offering a 60.5 kWh pack that delivers up to 480 kilometers of range on a single charge. The single-motor variant produces 204 HP, while the dual-motor AWD version offers a thrilling 300 HP, propelling the Atto 3 from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.5 seconds. Fast charging capability ensures an 80% charge in just 45 minutes. Premium and tech-loaded interior. Inside, the Atto 3 impresses with a spacious and high-tech cabin. The rotating 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powered by BYD's latest software, supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AI voice commands. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and ventilated leather seats create a premium feel, while the panoramic sunroof enhances the airy cabin experience. Advanced safety and smart features. BYD has equipped the Atto 3 with top-tier safety features, including Level 2 autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The SUV also features regenerative braking, ensuring maximum efficiency and control. Final verdict. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a game-changer in the luxury EV segment, offering an exceptional mix of performance, technology, and comfort. With an extended range, rapid charging, and a premium design, this electric SUV is set to redefine urban mobility. Would you consider the BYD Atto 3 as your next EV? Let us know your thoughts.